Hello, hello. What are today's messages and what do we need to hear today? Approach your day with fresh eyes. It is a wonderful day. I've never seen it before. What are you most looking forward to about the day ahead? What excites you the most about your plans for the day? Remember, there is always something to look forward to. Your version of balance will look different than someone else's, and that's a good reminder. I nourish my body with healthy food, my mind with education, and my soul with self-development. The largest part of what we call personality is determined by how we've opted to defend ourselves against anxiety and sadness. Let go of all anxiety and sadness, and what are you left with? If you are depressed, you are living in the past. If you're anxious, you are living in the future. If you're at peace, you are living in the present. Meditate on the breath for 5 minutes. And our last card for today. The patience is in the living. Today, just remember the moment between waves is an opportunity to notice exactly where you are. All right, which item has our quotes today? Let's do this little one today. Stop making everything an issue. Stop reacting to everything. Learn to be supportive. Don't be insecure. Humble yourself. Admit your mistakes. And of course, be thankful. One way to know what you need is to look at what you complain about. Complaints are unmet needs in disguise. What do you think? Work on the things people can't take away from you. Your body, your skills, your mindset, your character, your knowledge, your worth ethic. Become unstoppable. Slowing down is how your nervous system heals. Choose slower moments today. And the last one today. Embrace the cringe. Life is short. Do you. Be weird about it. And let yourself fully live. All right. Thanks for stopping by. Adios, amigos.